Yeah, it's powder just flying everywhere. Okay, so
Damn peace, man.
Bad things, fine as hell, oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pipe, like a pro.
hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to do a glam clown. I'm going to do a glam clown. It's October, Halloween month, and y'all, just growing up, I have always despised clowns. Like, I didn't like clowns. Growing up, we didn't do Halloween, but you know, like around in October, we did go to like little different activities, and you know, you would just see clowns. I despise clowns. I hated clowns. I hated the way they looked. I hated the way they act. They were just stinky, annoying, and just, I didn't like them. Even to this day, when I'll go to like little fall festivals, and I'll go to like haunted houses now, because I don't know, I like the adrenaline that it gives me. I like to go with different people, and it's just adrenaline, but I still don't like clowns. When we go places, I'm holding on to my boyfriend's hands for dear life, and his arms, like, no, I don't like them. So I thought, like, what if there was like a glam clown, like a clown that was just not really scary, but like a beautiful clown. And I seen Aaliyah J did one. I'm gonna be just a bit as surprised that you guys are when the look is final. So I hope you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, hello. And if you just came across this video but you haven't subscribed to my channel, why haven't you subscribed? It is free. It doesn't charge you anything. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell to be notified when your girl Shade upload new content. If you are ready to see this look, drum roll. Keep watching. So to avoid this video being super long, my face is already beat. I have already achieved the glam, and now we can just go ahead and achieve the clown. Okay guys, so I went ahead and zoomed in. I'm gonna go ahead and put some, put some setting powder up under here, because I'm doing everything like eyeshadows. I don't want eyeshadows to fall on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and with my Coty Airspun, and I'm gonna put it on right up under here, just in case I have some fallout from my eyeshadow. So I'm using this Coty Airspun, I'm using my Coty Airspun translucent powder, and this is in the color, this is translucent extra covered 07041. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that up under here. Yeah, it's powder just flying everywhere. Okay, so I know this brush is kind of big, but it's fine, because if it get kind of in some other areas, it's fine. But I'm gonna use this big old brush, y'all. The only reason I'm using this because I already dipped it in here before, because I wanted to see kind of how this was gonna look. And I'm gonna go up high, up underneath my eyebrow. Because this is a clown look, I want it to be glam clown. I don't want it to be like silly clown. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to be using my box of crayons eyeshadow palette. It has, as I said, it has some fallout. So I'm going in this palette, and I'm going in with the color orange, and I'm using my I thought this was my Morphe brush, but it's not. I don't know what brush this is, but I'm going in. So now I'm going to go in the shade Red. And I don't know if any of you guys, if y'all have this palette, I'm going to show you the palette. They're colored, all the colors are like colors out of a crown box. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M321 brush. And I just like to use this brush to really get that pigment in there like I want it. Now that I have those colors in there like I want it, I'm going to use my Morphe M535 brush. And it's just a little fluffy brush. I'm going to go in and I'm going to just blend these colors together. I'm going to get my Morphe M124 brush. It's just a flat brush and I like to use this brush to apply. I like to use this brush to apply colors on my lid and to make the shadows pop just a little bit more. And I did wet this with my Mario Badescu. I think that's what it's called. And I'm gonna pop this. And y'all, this is not a good piece. And I kind of just want to add emotions. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M535 brush, and this is just that fluffy brush. I'm going to dip it a little bit in the yellow, and along with the yellow I added kind of some orange with it, and then I'm just blend that yellow and orange. So I want to go in and I want to add a really dark black eyeliner, and I'm going to be using my Inglot in the color 77. It's just a really dark black eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. And I'm using this Revlon Smoky eye brush. On one end it has just some little bristles for a smoky eye, and on this end it has a black Okay, so this is both eyes close up with the liner on and the color. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just dust this powder off. So I'm gonna go back in my eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna use the red, and I'm just add that all down here. I'm gonna also add some orange and yellow. And I'm just adding it on top of the red because the orange has like a little sparkly. It's like a shimmer orange. And the red doesn't really have any shimmer. Then I'm gonna go back in my Inglot because I feel like this is the blackest liner I had. I think I'm gonna just connect it with the wing. Now that I have I got kind of an outline of the triangles, I'm going with my concealer and I'm just cleaning it up to make the triangles look a lot better than they look. I'm going in with some glitter eyeliner. Draw the nose out. Then I'm gonna take the red. Probably not gonna show as well. I don't have any type of white. That's okay. I'm gonna add some glitter to it. Then I'm going with this glitter red. It's an eyeliner, but I can't find my red glitter, so I'm just gonna put this all on the nose. So for my lips, I'm gonna just go ahead. I have lip gloss on my lips, hopefully it doesn't affect that. I'm gonna put this red matte lip stick on. And I'm gonna take it a little bit to the side. Kind of like a smiling face. Highlighter pencil, and I'm gonna use the same thing that I use, the same black that I use for everything else, which is the Inglot and the number 77. And I'm gonna just trace. I just want to outline top and like the sides and kind of down here. I'm not going to go all the way up. To fix it, I'm gonna go ahead and with the foundation that I used on my face earlier, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm using the color Cocoa, and I also just have a little bit still on my hand, and I'm gonna just go in with this concealer brush by Revlon to help clean this up.